Hi everybody, back out in the shop again. Today we're going to make a pretty neat little tool, actually an organizer if you will. So I've got 10 of these Hex Key wrenches, varying in size, and they are always cluttering up my toolbox. They're just thrown in there and they get piled up and twisted up and tangled up. So I think what I'll do today, I'll take some round bar and I'm going to turn the ends down for a press fit into these old rods, and then I'll drill the holes across the top of the bar so that these can slide down in. Now these are a little bit too long for the length of rod that I have. A good buddy of mine, Justin, gave me these. I don't know what it's out of. I think it's out of an LS, but anyway, he gave me the rods. They're gonna serve as the stands. I'll have one on each end, and then when I turn this bar down, it'll press fit inside of here, and then I'll drill the holes across here to put all the hex key wrenches in. I saw one of these on the internet somebody had done, and I thought it was pretty neat, so I thought, hey, you know what, I'll do that myself. So I'm going to turn this bar down, turn the ends of the bar down to 944 thousandths. It should give me a thousandths press fit on the rod. So I've already faced this end off. What I'm going to do is use my DRO, and I'm going to come 944 thousandths this way. That is the same thickness as the rod, and I'd like for it to press flush. So I'll turn that down, see how it turns out. At 144 thousandths. Okay, we got the part in the vise. We're going to start out finding these edges so I can find center on this. That way when I drill the holes, they're in the center of the part. I've already figured out the distance between them, so once I get this centered, I'll move the bar over and we'll start the drilling process. Okay, there you have it. There's the stand that I was wanting to build for quite some time. It organizes all of my hex key wrenches, gets them out of my toolbox, and I thought it was pretty cool to use the old piston rods and this aluminum. Also, I intend to use these off-ball pieces from all of the hex key wrenches and assemble them with their corresponding sockets so that I can have a socket head tool. Anyway, I hope you guys liked it. See you guys around.